Uber just had their earnings report today and they sucked. So I'm going to short it. Hi guys, it's Any, aka the NocTrader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. I've got Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at NocTrader on all social media platforms. And if you check that description section below, you see a link to my mailing list and my Discord group called Pip Talks. Now, my buddy Infinite Investors, the one and only, put me onto Uber. He told me, yeah, he thinks they're gonna tank, so I said I'll have a look at it. So I did, and I copied him. What are you gonna do? So obviously he covers all of the investment side of things, and I'm gonna go from a technical analysis aspect. So Uber are in a very interesting position this week. They had their earnings reports today, which is Monday, and on Wednesday they're having their lockup expiration date. So that means that on Wednesday, all of the early stage investors, all the investors that were able to invest pre-IPO at a really discounted rate, will be able to sell their stocks because it'll be a 180 days since the IPO date. So for companies that are not doing too well, especially early investors are eager to get rid of their shares. So I won't be surprised if Uber tanks on Wednesday, especially since their earnings came out today and it was really poor. So that just kind of compounds, and I think, yeah, Uber's going to sell off in a big way come Wednesday. So now that I've given a bit of context to why I think there should be a short on a fundamental aspect, I thought, let me get into the technicals, give the people what they want. So as you can see here, there's not that much data to go off of because Uber's only been trading for 180 days, but there's still enough to give a little bit of an idea of as to what's going on with the stock. So on the daily chart, let me go to the daily chart so you can see a full view. So it pretty much started around $44 thereabouts, went down, went up. Obviously the first couple of days always quite crazy, and then started following this kind of descending channel pattern. So on the 4-hour chart, you can see that it's got a resistance here, support here, and then like a middle support and resistance here. So it ricocheted at the resistance line at $43 around August. Then it came back, hit the support once, twice, thrice, and then it came back up. Now at $34, it was at $34 on 31st of October, which was a couple of days ago. Well, not far, I think last week. And now it started selling off. So into what I saw here was that there was kind of like a support at $30.15. So if you go down to like the 1-hour chart, you can see that I plotted a couple of lines here of interest to me. So at $30.15, it hit this point once, came back up and hit it again twice today, but then it sold off. It sold off after hours because of poor earnings, as I said before. And this is really just falling in line with my hypothesis of a descending channel pattern. Prices hit the support line and then it started selling off. Now you can also see that if you zoom in a little bit, if you want to get real granular, this support resistance line here has acted like a kind of, there's like a kind of invisible support here as well. So prices hit it once here, twice here, once here, and then it broke in here and then it sold off here. So what I'd expect come Tuesday would be kind of pretty much a sideways move, not much action on Tuesday, and then open the play Wednesday, price just sells off down to the support line to about $25, and that would kind of fall in line with this technical analysis hypothesis. It's really good when fundamentals and technicals can come together and they make sense. So the fundamentals are telling me bad earnings, investors mass X this through lockup and it should tank, and then the technicals are telling me descending channel pattern, hit resistance, now selling off to support line around $25. So my position is that I'm taking a short position on it, and hopefully on Wednesday, fingers crossed, everything goes to plan and I make some money when it hits $25. Any, aka the NocTrader, signing out.
Uber everywhere, pre-rolls in the Ville, yeah, Uber everywhere, pre-rolls in my